Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great time today. Welcome to another episode of MidJourney in Architecture. In this episode, we're going to talk about describe. Right, MidJourney's main purpose is to get text prompts and give images. But in new versions, there's a new thing that works the other way around. I mean, you need to give it an image and then it will give you a prompt according to that picture. It's got different usages. Let's go through a round of practice. So I'll type /describe and it wants me either as a link or as a picture to upload my image. So at first I'm going to go with an image. Click on image and I will drop a render from my own work, and we want to test to see what prompt it gives us. So I'll upload the image and all I gotta do is click on enter. So as you see, 4 types of different prompts are given to you according to that picture. It's so interesting. It can aid you with writing prompts and you can get a lot of ideas and insights from it. You see how interesting it is that in prompt number 3, the type of the camera and the lens and how it recorded is also written for me, which is so interesting. You can get a lot of ideas and learn to write prompts like this, and it will increase your creativity in writing prompts if you study them. The funny thing is that according to each of these prompts, we can do the generation. So if I click on any of those buttons, the generation will be done according to that. So I'm going to click on number 3, and as you see, you can remix it as well. You can edit the same prompt, and I think this prompt is rather complete and it doesn't need changing. So I'll click on submit to see how it does the generation. This is the image according to that prompt, according to that image. Let me open it for you. And as you see, the mood of the setting, the material used, the angle of the camera, the sky, everything is rather similar and close to the render I already had. But we can also edit the prompts ourselves and get closer to the initial image. So let me test it one more time. Describe. This time I want to place a link from a picture on Pinterest. So copy image address and go back to this grid and paste the link in here. Click on enter. And as you see, MidJourney, according to the link I sent it, again gave me 4 types of prompts. And we can use these prompts to see how that image is done. So I'm going to click on number 1 and click on submit to start. So this is the image. You see how professional and detailed the new image according to my references. It is absolutely great. And even you see that window, the view of the city can be seen. So in this picture, in these pictures, the same thing is adhered to. The warm lighting, the TV wall, everything is similar in the new pictures. So make sure you use describe to practice, to go through different models of prompts, to get insights from them, because it can help you a lot in writing prompts to be more professional, more than before even. So that's it about describe, everything about it. Next sessions we're going to talk about the framework of architecture prompts. Have a good one. Bye bye.